Have you ever wondered how to find a big opportunity in an affiliate program? Do you often wonder how to find big pitfalls in an affiliate program? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of increasing the revenue 3 times through affiliate programming? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about pitfalls you absolutely must consider in affiliate program income opportunity. Now let's get into it. There are an unlimited number of reasons to start a home-based business, especially now that the home computer is nearly as familiar a sight in every home as a television. Your home computer can be the key to bringing down that extra income you need to keep your financial head above water. And who isn't struggling these days? Home business startups are popping up everywhere. Isn't it time to use your computer's downtime to generate some extra income? Sure, it's great for games and family photos and iPod use, but what if it could do more? What if it could form the basis for a home-based business, build on duplication? Isn't that what computers do best? Duplicate? Duplicate ads. Duplicate emails. Duplicate customers. Duplicate dollars. Legitimate dollars. Counterfeiters look elsewhere. We only are interested in an honest home-based business opportunity here. It all makes sense in a general way, doesn't it? Isn't it time to put your PC hardware to work to build a nice income for you? Maybe you need money for the kids' clothes. Or maybe you struggle with the electric bill month after month. Maybe you have put off taking a vacation for a few years too long now and the stress is starting to show. Or maybe it has become a hardship to meet the mortgage payment and you see your dream of home ownership slipping further and further away. Well, again, there are millions of reasons to start a home business online with your PC. But how do you find an opportunity that will in fact do what it promises? How do you avoid the scams and junk in order to latch onto something that will really put money in your pocket? Well, first things first. You must take a good look at the cost of any home business opportunity you are considering. Other than the enrollment fee, you will want to look closely at the ongoing monthly costs, as well. What are your realistic changes to cover those costs in the near future, hopefully with income from the program itself? Are any additional expenditures required by the program, beyond the usual ones like advertising and promotion? Are there any limitations on ways that you will be allowed to market this product? For example, many companies often do not wish to be associated with sex or gambling sites. You may not be able to place ads there as your source of leads for a home-based business. Beyond that, some common sense here is required. Are there any copyright or license requirements that you may need to take into consideration? Better to find out in the beginning than to be surprised later on after you have invested in the program. Is an affiliate program the way to go? I certainly think so, given the rich variety of affiliate sales programs that are available. A Google search of the internet on the program name can give you an overview of opinions from marketers already involved in the program and tales of their success with it. Or lack thereof. Will support still be there after you join? Is expert advice available? Is there an active blog for the program where marketers freely share tips and suggest valuable resources? Posters at such a blog can inform you ahead of time of the mistakes others have already made, saving you a lot of time in trial and error testing. Needless to say, this would save you dollars as well as you identify such traps as advertising resources that do not pull, etc. Does the program have an excellent track record? This may take a little more investigation, but you should be able to find out how long it has been in business. Consumer organizations such as the Better Business Bureau log complaints, and a check of this may prove worthwhile. You certainly don't need a home-based business scam or one that breaks the home-based business laws. Does the affiliate opportunity fit your personal style? Will it be one that you are proud to share with others? Will you hold your head up and greet new customers enthusiastically because you have full confidence in the product or service? This can be difficult in the beginning when your experience with the program is limited, but the company should be building a bond of trust with you as time goes on, enabling you to generate such enthusiasm. If you find yourself becoming disenchanted, or even ashamed of the way the affiliate program conducts its business, it may be time to move on to a superior affiliate marketing opportunity. Can you clearly identify your market? For example, if you are targeting home workers seeking a type-at-home kind of opportunity, you will want to find ways to focus your marketing efforts on home typists looking for a data entry home-based business. These people would be excellent prospects for a computer-based home business opportunity. In fact, as you already know that they have keyboard facilities and need extra income. The pet owner would be another example of a specific market to target, especially if you are selling collars and puppy treats. Is your affiliate product priced to beat the competition? It is unlikely that you will easily find new customers if they can beat your price at the local Walmart. There is in fact a market for pricey luxury products out there, too, but a more modestly priced item is probably your best bet when you are getting a computer-based home business off the ground. Lower costs mean more affordability for more people, which is a good place to start for home-based business selling. If something is offered for free, certainly a great many will be interested. Will the family be involved in this business, or are you going it alone? Instructing children to respect the evening hours that one parent is working and should not be disturbed can go a long way toward the successful rollout of a new home office business. As you can tell, there are many angles to consider before diving into a home-based affiliate income opportunity. However, the discomfort and nervous feelings you may experience in the beginning will eventually give way as you further develop as a successful online marketer. Little by little, you will build confidence and skill through your business building efforts. And these qualities can certainly pay off as those affiliate program checks keep growing month after month. A substantial home business income is most definitely achievable. But the one who must achieve it is that person in the mirror. Another way of saying, if it's to be, it's up to me. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about pitfalls you absolutely must consider an affiliate program income opportunity. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.